Welcome. Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Civics online session for 8th standard. Now, I will ask some questions from the previous content. Okay? Name 3 main organs of a state: the executive, the legislature, the judiciary. Okay? Next one, who is the chief executive in a state? Answer: the governor. Okay? Who is appointed the governor? The governor is appointed by the President of India. Okay? Today we will learn about how the state government works. In this lesson, the chief minister. Okay? The leader of majority party is appointed as chief minister by the governor. Who is the chief minister of our Tamil Nadu? Mr. Edappadi K. Palaniswamy. Okay, already you know that. Chief minister. In India, every state runs its own rules and regulations. Every state executive has a governor and councils of ministers. They are headed by the chief minister. Okay. Eligibility for the chief minister. The candidate must be at least 25 years of age. He or she must be citizens of India. He or she should be a member of the state legislature. Okay, it's very important. The appointment. How can he appointed? The chief minister is appointed by the governor. She is the leader of the majority party in this state. Okay, it is the ruling party. Okay, then tenure. The tenure of the chief minister is 5 years. Okay, only 5 years. Powers and functions of the chief minister. The chief minister plays an important role in making policies of the state government. He has to ensure that the policies of the government do not go against the public interest, only favor for public or people. Okay, he plays an important role in making higher appointments of the state government. Right? The governor appoints different higher officials of the state government on the advice of chief ministers and its council of ministers. The councils of ministers called MLA. Okay, every posting appointed with consulting the chief minister and appointed the ministers. Okay, then the chief minister is the chief administrator of the state. All major decisions of the state government are taken under his leadership. Chief minister plays an important role in the formation of councils of ministers. On the advice of chief minister, the governor appoints the other ministers. Okay, the chief minister supervises the activities of different ministers and advises them accordingly. Every activities fully support the chief minister to the other ministers, right? The legislative. In India, the state legislature consists of the governor and 1 or 2 houses. The upper house is called a legislative council. The lower house is called a legislative assembly. Right? This is a legislative council. First one. The legislative council is a permanent house. 1/3 of its members retire every 2 years and the elections are held to fill the vacant seats. The members are elected for a term of 6 years, only 6 years. To be a member of legislative council, one must be a citizen of India and should have completed 30 years of age. The chairman is the presiding officials of the Legislative Council. In his absence, the deputy chairman presides over its meeting. Okay? The chairman is the presiding officers of the Legislative Council. In his absence, the deputy chairman presides over its meeting. Okay. Then compositions of Legislative Council. Here, 1/3 elected by members of State Legislative Assembly. Another 1/3 from local bodies such as municipalities and panchayats. 1/12 are elected by the persons graduates of 3 years standing residing in the state. Okay, another 1/12 are elected by the persons engaged for at least 3 years teaching in educations of institutions within the states. Okay, the another last 1/6 are nominated by governor from the field of art, science and literature. Okay, in legislative councils of members are not directly elected by the people. Here, every state has its legislature. Some states has only one house. That's called, the states are called unicameral legislatures. Some states have 2 houses. That's called bicameral legislatures. Okay. Lower house and upper house, both in the bicameral legislatures in some states. Indian states with a bicameral legislature. At present in India, 7 states which follow the bicameral legislature. For Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka and Telangana. Okay. Another one, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. 7 states with the bicameral legislature. Right? See the map and see the states, the bicameral states. First, what is constituency? Every state is divided into small areas called constituencies, which is a specified area covering one or more districts. Each such constituency has an elected representative who is a member of the Legislative Assembly. That person is called the MLA. Right? Here, constituencies means small area. Okay. Legislative Assembly. According to the constitutions, a legislative assembly cannot have more than 500 and not less than 60 members. Some seats in the legislative assembly are reserved for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, SC, ST. Okay. The governor can nominate one member from the Anglo-Indian community. Okay. The members of the Legislative Assembly are elected for a term of 5 years, only 5 years. The meeting of the assembly are presided over the speaker, who is elected from among the members of the assembly. Okay. For example, Tamil Nadu. Okay, it is very difficult. A single person who rules enter the state. For that reason, our Tamil Nadu state is divided small regions to 34 regions small. Every region, small regions called a constituencies. Every constitution has a one MLA. Okay. Here, they are MLA. Now, I will ask questions from this content. Right? Who is the chief minister, the leader of majority party in the state legislative assembly? Okay? Ruling party. Then, name 2 houses of the state legislature, the upper house legislative council, the lower house legislative assembly. Name states bicameral legislature: Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Telangana. That's 7 states called the bicameral legislature. Okay, my dear students, we will meet next session. Okay, bye students, take care, bye.